What's the meaning of baited? Baited. Baited.
Baited. Baited. The term baited is an adjective used to describe a state of anticipation or excitement that has been restrained or held back. It is often used in the phrase, with bated breath, which means to wait in a state of nervousness, expectation or suspense. The origin of the word can be traced back to the word abate, which means to reduce or lessen. The term baited is commonly used in literature and everyday conversation to convey a sense of tension or unease. It can be used to describe a person's emotions, as well as the atmosphere of a situation. Overall, baited signifies a state of restrained or subdued excitement or anticipation.